Data plays a very critical role today when it comes to enterprise-ready AI. At Seismic, I lead AI and analytics. Seismic is a global leader in sales enablement platform. So when you hear Seismic Aura, that is coming from our team. So in 2025, obviously AI is a big driving force to really make sure sales enablement as a platform can become a long-term growth driver for all the organizations. The really differentiating ingredient all comes from the data foundation that goes into your AI infrastructure and pipeline. So we all are familiar with the concept of retrieval-augmented generation. And when it comes to retrieval, it's all about grounding, and that's where the search and the data come together to really contribute to the success of AI use cases. Elastic definitely powers all the search infrastructure for Seismic and Seismic Aura across the globe for all our enterprise customers. We really enjoy the performance and the scalability that comes from the Elastic Cloud. Seismic and Elastic are partnering together to build Seismic Aura and all our latest AI innovations. At the same time, Elastic is utilizing Seismic and Aura for your sales enablement and seller efficiency today as well. Elastic provides the scalability, the robustness, all the high performance when it comes to retrieval and the semantic search. Today at Seismic, we're building Aura that becomes an agentic flow that really guide user into the right place to retrieve the right information. The agentic retrieval piece are all served through Elastic today. I'm looking forward to the continued partnership building Aura with Elastic.